Welcome back to the RepRapGuru Prusa i3 video build guide. In this video, we're going to be taking 3 linear bearings, putting them in their holders, and then attaching them to the Y bed frame. In this video, you're going to need the acrylic bed frame, 3 linear bearings, 3 linear bearing holders, the contents of your heat bed plastics bag, and for tools, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, as well as some needle nose pliers to hold the lock nut as you tighten the bolts. So now that we have our bearings in the holders, we're going to start attaching them to the bed frame. You're going to need 6 lock nuts and about 12 washers for the 6 and 3 bolts. You can go ahead and start by placing a washer on each bolt. So now that you have all of that done, you're going to take one of your bearing assemblies and place it on the acrylic bed. It doesn't matter which side you do it on because it's symmetrical either way. You just rotate it. You're going to place the bolt through the acrylic and through the part, and then put a washer over that, and then put a lock nut on top of that. You're going to then tighten that assembly with the pliers and screwdriver. You're going to want to be careful not to over tighten because that will crack the acrylic. You just want it to be tight enough so that it doesn't move. You're going to then do that for each side of the bearings, and you're going to do that for all 3. The other 2 will go here and here. When you're done, it should look something like this, and you want to make sure that you install the nuts on the side that the nut trap is on, because the heated bed and the Glex bed are going to go over on this side, and you can see that if you have anything sticking up here, it's going to reduce the amount of clearance you have, and you're not going to be able to adjust your heated bed height that well. So you want to make sure that the heads of the screws are on the top. That concludes this video. Check out our next video where we'll be attaching 3 bearings to the extruder carriage.